Our next potential fooler is flying in. Let's see if he can stick the landing.
はい、Takamiz Usui です。パズルキューブやります。Magic is a universal language. I'm a Japanese, but I have friends in every country. Before I became a magician, I worked in a factory. It was boring. Maybe this is why I was drawn to the puzzle cube. It's a machine too, but one based on color and surprise. The cube effects I've created are sold and performed all over the world. I truly believe the cube holds no secret from me. But some of my secrets I don't publish or sell. They are things Penn and Teller have never seen. There is no Furas trophy in all of Japan. If a Japanese magician is to win it, I hope he will be me.
Give it up for the magic of Takamiz Usui.
Oh, thank you. Already sit down.
Oh, yes.
Okay, I'm sure you recognize this.
Uh-huh.
You think it's a children's toy, a puzzle to be solved. And that is true. But it also has magical properties for the right person. Please mix it up.
Anyway?
Yeah, very mix.
Okay.
So just a few turns is all we need.
Well,
And do you know, Alison? The cube
yes.
can magically absorb color from anything it touches.
Really?
Okay, let me show you.
Okay.
All we need is a single color like this bag. Watch this. You don't believe me? Watch it again. Yeah. See? Now you try. Choose a color.
Sure, I'll trade green.
Green. Okay. You try. Please. And look at what you've done.
Hey!
Oh, very good. Very good. But I wonder, is it the cube that is magical or the bag? Alison, which color is your favorite?
Well, I just picked my favorite, but I'll change to blue.
Oh, change the blue.
Yeah.
Okay. So, wouldn't it be amazing if this bag could magically change the color of your cube without me touching it?
Yeah?
So please take the bag and shake it. Yeah, enough. Wow, amazing. All 6 sides changed. But I don't think it's a cube that is magical or the bag. It's something else. So let me prove it to you with another cube. How about this one? Or this one? I also have another one. And one more. Oh, this one is my favorite. Oh, this one is so cute. This one is very popular. Oh, I recommend this. No reason. And oh, this one is pretty good. And this one, also this one is very famous. This is a very puzzling. The truth is the cubes are not magic. The bags are not magic. You are magic.
Hey!
Please hold out your hand. What is your favorite color?
Blue.
You chose the color, right?
Yes.
And give me your magic, like this. Thank you. Check it out. Thank you, Alison. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Wow. Takamiz Usui. Oh. Wow. So, why did you choose to do magic with the cube?
たまたまルービックキューブを使ったマジックを一つこういうマジックが、ルービックキューブではまだないなと思ってでそれで、じゃあルービックキューブでそれをちょっとやってみようかなってやってるうちに
So you're the pioneer of this style?
ルービックキューブのトリックっていうと大体、僕も一番最初に1個揃えるってことをしましたけど揃えるのか、混ぜたやつが一致するかっていうのがほとんど多くて
It's his secret and it's his trick.
Yes.
Yes. All right. Well, let's see how much your unique techniques puzzled the boys. Boys.
Hello, Takamiz.
Hi.
I've got to ask you, this is the most important question to me. Did you invent this stuff yourself?
そうですね全部プロットも解決方法も全部自分です
Everything that you saw tonight, I invented it.
Whoa. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. There are feats of engineering that we know are there and just beautiful. Also, it's not just props and inventions. There's also just raw skill that's being done at blinding speed that just amazed us. We loved the routine, but I do not think you fooled us. And I tried to sneak some stuff in there. I don't know where the translation is going to get through.
So, do you think you fooled them?
騙すと思いましたけどねって感じですね
I thought I did.
You thought you did? Do you need a little more information?
We can't seem to decide on this. I will repeat for people watching that we have microphones on, and the judges hear everything that I say, everything that Teller says, and the judges also know how every detail of the tricks are done. So up in the booth, they're listening to everything, deciding whether what we said is close enough to what Takamiz actually did. It is now out of our hands, and it's in the hands of the adults.
So we're going to the judges, and the judges are telling me that Penn and Teller do know how you did the trick. You did not fool them.
OK
But thank you so much.
Thank you
Takamiz Usui. Penn and Teller aren't done with you yet. You get to see them perform one of their newest routines for the very first time on television when Fool Us returns.